Okay, number 8 here, we've got to look at the dimension that we've got here. The first one's done for us. And remember, these letters just represent units of length, right? Don't worry about the numbers before them. So here you've got 4D, right? Well, it doesn't matter about that 4, it's not important, right? Ultimately, this is a length, isn't it? Because D represents a length, okay? So by the side here, maybe wherever space you've got, you can think of that as a length. And then we're adding to it this here. Well, R is just a length. So, you know, your 3R, well, it doesn't matter, it's still a length. It's just R a bit longer, isn't it? 3 times longer. Still a length. And H is a length as well, okay? So it's one dimension. So you've got length plus length plus length. It's just an even bigger length, which gives you length, okay? If you look at the next one, now 6. As I said, don't worry about the number, it just makes it a bit bigger. RH, what are we doing there? We're timesing R by H, aren't we? That's like doing length times length, yeah? Length times length, which in effect is like length squared, isn't it, if you think about it? Okay, length times a length is length squared. Now here, it said ignore the number, so it's just making it bigger. Here you've got h squared times r. Well, h squared, that's like length squared, isn't it? So length squared times another length. So that would be length cubed, wouldn't it? Now, in this case, now you've got length squared plus length cubed. That's like doing area plus volume. Now, that doesn't make sense. You would never add an area and volume together, so it would be none of them, right? You just write none down, okay? Because, you know, and just look, you've got 2 dimensions here and 3 in here in total. So you can't add them together. It doesn't belong together. Here, right, you've got a bit of a bracket going on, and with the bracket we multiply. And let's look at that bracket. You've got d squared, which is like l squared, isn't it? Okay? Length squared, dh, which is just like a length times a length, which is also a length squared, and then you're timesing it then by a length outside. So you've got that. Now, length squared plus length squared is just a bigger area, isn't it, if you think about it? Length squared plus length squared is an area plus an area, which gives you a bigger area, and you're timesing it by L. So when you times an area by length, you get a volume, don't you? This will result in being a length cubed. So we've got volume. And here then, what have we got here? Well, that's a length squared, isn't it? Okay, that's an area. We've got another area, okay, and we've got another area there, length times length. Okay, and the fact you're adding them and taking away, it doesn't matter, you've still got an area, right?